Hello you guys, welcome to episode 1 of my Christmas series. With Christmas fast approaching, I thought I would tell you guys everything that was on my Christmas list to give you some ideas, and I have a bunch more ideas. Anyone would love these, so keep on watching. So starting off with my list, if you don't know, my birthday is on December 20th, which is pretty close to Christmas, so every year I just make my friends and family a huge like combined list of everything that I want, so this list will probably be bigger than most. First off, I have my favorite go-to moisturizer. It is the Nivea Essentials one. This is my go-to. I use it every single day of my life. Next, I want to try the Frex XL pen. It's from Sephora. Basically, you just like put little dots on your finger and then you just press them all over your face and it gives you like little freckles. I want to try that. I saw it in Ashley's video while I was editing it and I was like, I need that. Next is the Burt's Bees Lemon Cuticle Cream. I just love it for my nails. It helps my nails grow. These are my nails right now. They've grown so long, but I love that stuff and I would definitely love more of it. Next up is a portable charger or like a battery bank. I just need a new one. Mine has been like 5 years old and it's dead and broke now. It won't turn on whatsoever. Next are moccasins from Soft Mocs, the non like real fur ones. I don't want to support the real fur. I would love new ones. Next is a mirrored makeup storage box. I really want one. I think it would like suit my room well with like the black and white theme. I know mirrors are so hard to clean, but I think it would be so pretty. Next is Lip Sol. This is literally only like $1 from the dollar store, but it's my favorite chapstick ever. It's the only thing I will ever put on my lips. Next is an aroma diffuser. I really want to try it. I need like a calming scent, something like nice and relaxing. Next up, I have the Butter Album in like the yellow version. I think it's like the cream or peaches version. I'm not sure which one it is, but I really want the Butter Album. Next, I put a Canon M50 on my list just because I'm filming on a G7X for you guys right now, but I would love the Canon M50. I want a lens. I miss having a lens that I could actually like manually focus things with. This one is all automatic, so I just want a Canon M50, but it's like $1,000, so I'll probably just be saving up my money for that. Next up is white non-see-through pants. I was thinking like Aritzia just because I know those ones are not see-through at all. I want them boyfriend style, slightly baggy and high-waisted. I then put Ferrier Rochers on my list because that's my favorite chocolate ever and it's so good and I could just never have enough. Next up is the Garnier Micellar Water. I love that stuff. I use it to take off my makeup. It has never irritated my skin whatsoever. It is my go-to. And the last thing on my list is Aveeno cream. It's like my favorite go-to moisturizer for like my body and everything. It's my favorite and I would love more. Alright, that is everything that I am asking for this Christmas on my list / my birthday, but now I'm going to show you guys a bunch of other ideas that I created for you guys. My first one is claw clips. Claw clips have become super popular. Honestly, I love them. They hold up my hair super well, so claw clips are always a great idea. Next up, if she is like a Studio Ghibli fan, I think Howl's Moving Castle earrings are so cute. I love these. Oh, they're so cute. They're the earrings that Howl wears and I just think they're so adorable and it's like such a like a little unique gift. I don't think many people would like, you know, think of that. Next, if she likes candles, you should definitely get her candles. I have seen so many unique ones on TikTok. Definitely shop them from a small business. I've seen them do it in like themes, you know, like cereals, desserts and whatnot. Better than just like basic candles from Bath & Body Works. But if she likes basic candles from Bath & Body Works, do that instead. Next is Olaplex 3. I know a lot of girls use it for their hair if they're damaged or they bleach it a lot. Olaplex 3 is a really like must-have for them. Following hair care, I think skincare is a really good one. If you can just like go look into her drawers or like cabinet and see what skincare she uses. A lot of people use like The Ordinary and stuff like that. I put a film camera because I know a lot of people have been getting into film. I highly suggest, you know, actually like thrifting a film camera and not using like those packaged like disposable cameras just because they go to the waste. Highly suggest that, but I know a lot of people just do the disposable cameras. If you're getting a film camera, make sure to get the film rolls. That's super important. I always use Kodak Gold 200. Shoes! Shoes are a super good one. Just make sure you know their size. Phone cases are super useful and they also protect your phone, but might as well make it cute. I know Casetify has a lot of cases, or honestly just shop them on Amazon or literally just like go to like a flea market. They're so much cheaper there, or like a mall phone booth place, you know, but if you want like a good expensive one, then Casetify. Next is stationery. If the girl loves stationery like pens, washi tape, that's always a really good option and you can make like a cute little bundle and like a little basket. A new purse. Purses are super cute. I highly suggest like the little baguette bag ones. I know those are super in, or like a crossbody, anything cute, or you can go like the super expensive route, Louis Vuitton. Sweaters, vintage crew necks, you know, the ones with like Nike with like little flowers around them. They have a lot of them in like small little business shops on Etsy. I think that's super cute. Following that, over oversized hoodies. Oversized hoodies are super comfortable. Girls love them. I think there's a lot at Aritzia, but again, you can also shop small businesses. Once again, an aroma diffuser. I put it on the list for you guys because I think a lot of people could benefit from that. Next is K-beauty makeup. I know a lot of people are super into like Korean beauty, Korean skincare right now, and I highly think that's a really good one. You can definitely check like your local shops to see if they actually carry K-beauty. I know a couple of mine in the Toronto area do. And following K-beauty, just like makeup in general, I know a lot of girls love makeup, so just go to Sephora. Even if you don't know what to get her, just literally get a gift card. Gift cards are always nice, and then she can pick out what she wants and you don't have to worry about getting the wrong shade or anything. Slippers. Slippers are super comfortable. I just suggest like getting a good pair. Ever since I bought like a good slipper, I've never had to buy another one in my life. Perfume. Perfume is always a good one. Everyone loves smelling nice. I know the Ariana Grande collection is super popular, or like Victoria's Secret or anything. If you want a cheap one, Bath & Body Works has body sprays. This one is super interesting for me. Subscriptions. If you don't want to like pay for Spotify, Netflix, Disney Plus, you know, those things, just get them like a subscription for like 6 months. I don't know how long they last, but I think that's a good one. Even Amazon Prime, that's useful. Next is an AirPods case. Basically the same as a phone case, but for your AirPods, and protects them from scratches. Or a pop socket. Pop sockets are so useful. I have never dropped my phone ever since I had this. I mean, I've dropped it, but like not like a lot, but it's definitely helpful. I can't hold a phone normally anymore. One of those like gouaches, I don't know how to pronounce that, or like those like jade face rollers or like rose quartz. I think that's super good for you overall. It benefits you. Another cute one is tote bags. Tote bags have been super in, and I think they're gonna stay in next spring as well. They're super cute. You can just throw everything in them. You can get a cute design. Another one is room LED strips. I know those were like kind of like last year, but I still think it's like a good option. You can just like throw them behind your bed or like around your desk. Following LED strips, color changing light bulbs. You know, the ones you can make like, hey Siri, turn my room blue. Hey Siri, make my room pink. You know, those ones. I think that's a good option too. Next is a bucket hat. I think bucket hats are so cute. You know, just make sure it fits their head. This one's more expensive, but I think it's a really good option. An Alexa or a Google Home. I use my Google Home so much. It's so useful. I highly suggest it. Or an Alexa. Alexa's cool too. I'm putting Crocs on this list because I love Crocs. I wish I had a pair that actually fit me, but I've never spent the money on Crocs. But I think Crocs are so cute, especially the pastel ones. If the girl is a fan of K-pop in general, the K-pop shoes, these are so popular and they're so cute. Also, just get her like the K-pop album she loves, you know? You can get like a little cute photo card in it too. So adorable. Chocolates. Chocolates are so good. You can't go wrong with chocolate. Like, who's gonna turn down chocolate? Hello? Hi, I'm good. How are you? Next is a tennis skirt. I love tennis skirts and they were super in this year. This is the one from Aritzia. I know that Aritzia has like a really good one. I highly suggest it, but I know Garage and like maybe H&M, they also have more affordable options. Next is earrings. If her ears are pierced, earrings are a great option. Okay, this one is so expensive, but I know a lot of girls are like really wanting to try the Dyson Airwrap. I think it's like $600 or more, but like it's so expensive. But like if you love her and she really wants it, you know, good luck spending the money. I think this one's so cute, like a little sunset or like the little galaxy projectors for your room, just to like, you know, like turn your room like into a galaxy or like a sunset mirror. And they're also like pretty affordable. I've seen them like $20 to like $100 on Amazon, so just like, you know, shop within your budget. Also read reviews. I put down a salt lamp because I see these a lot in people's rooms. Also crystals. If she's into crystals, get crystals. Or zodiac things. If they're into like zodiacs and like, you know, like the charts, that's a cool option too. Next is plants. I think plants are super cute. You can put them on these shelves. I actually had plants there, but then my shelf fell down and then they all cracked and died. I mean, they were fake plants anyway, so it's not like I killed a plant, but you know. Plants are always a good option if they can keep them alive, especially like a cute little cactus. Next is like a Nintendo Switch or like a Nintendo Switch skin. Depends what's in your price range. Go with what you can. I know some people like to deck up their Switches and like make them like cute and customizable. I'm putting Animal Crossing on this list. I know it's already been out for like a full year now and over that, but it's a really cute game and they just came out with their newest launch, like the newest update, so there's a ton more to do in the game now. So I really think if you don't have Animal Crossing, it's the perfect time to get it now. This one's really weird, but if they do like a lot of like creative things and like Adobe and stuff, hard drives are so useful. If someone gave me a hard drive, I would love that. My next one is craft items, like, you know, beads, polymer clay, resin, stuff like that, and crocheting, knitting, yarn, stuff like that, whatever and like craft they're into, get them supplies for that. Once again, this one is super expensive. An iPad, you know, iPads are super useful for school, for creative things, and an Apple Pencil. If they don't have an Apple Pencil yet, you can always get them an Apple Pencil, and Canadian dollars is like $1.29. A bullet journal. Bullet journals are super cool if you can keep up with it. A ring light. If they're a TikToker or, you know, they want to get into YouTube, a a ring light is a super good option. Following the YouTube trend, a mini tripod or just a tripod in general. Tripods are so useful, especially like a mini one if you want to do like vlogging. If you guys can see in the background, a reversible plushie. I think those are super cute, like the octopuses. This one's a bubble tea right here. That's the octopus over there. My last gift idea is a water bottle. As dumb as that sounds, an emotional support water bottle. Trust me, love my water bottle. Plus it encourages them to drink water. If they already drink a lot of water, then give them a water bottle or something like to change it up throughout the week, you know? But yes, that is everything that is on my Christmas list this year / birthday list, and a bunch of gift ideas for you guys. Hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, let me know down below, and like let me know like a couple things you want for Christmas. It'll also help me out with gift ideas too. Besides that, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys in my next week's video for more Christmas videos. Yeah, more Christmas videos are coming up. Super excited for that. But yeah, bye!